Okay, friends. So today what we are going to see is we are going to see about the calculator called Kruta. So Kruta is a mechanical calculator which was built in the World War times. So as you can see, this is a calculator in which you can see that it is made up of a very advanced functions such as you can square it, okay, you can square it, you can multiply it, you can do everything in means of digital form. But there was a time, actually a time when you have a mechanical calculator. Even in GD Naidu Museum in Coimbatore, you have this mechanical calculator and all those cars and all those things. So let me take you to a century before. Okay, I'll take it to a century before, in which you can see here Charles this Napier bones. Wait a minute, it's not typing. Napier bones. Okay, Napier bones is a sort of calculator, or it was invented by Napier, manually operated calculating device, which was being used for calculations. And you have Pascal's calculator. Okay, Pascal's calculator. Okay, this was the Pascal's calculator, which was meant for multiplying the numbers, a mechanical calculator. And there came Charles Babbage, who made a differential engine. Babbage, who made a differential engine. Okay, differential engine, uh, mechanical computer, which was a mechanical computer. Okay, mechanical computer. So at that time, this was very advanced. Okay, this was the mechanical computer, and from that time there was a scientist called, not scientist, and mechanical engineer sort, Kurta mechanical calculator. Okay, Kurta's mechanical calculator. So this Kurta's mechanical calculator, as you can see, it consists of many parts. Okay, it consists of many parts, and this is this calculator, as you can see from here. Okay, so this calculator was built in the World War times, when this guy, this engineer, was caught by this so-called Nazi Germany's wartime. And this is Mr. Kurta. Okay, this is Kurta's calculator, where you can do this normal type of calculation in 6 seconds. Okay, 6 seconds you can do it. So at that time, what he did is he designed this calculator, and there were many mechanical calculators. This was very compact calculator. Even the German uh, war engineers wanted to use it. Okay, war engineers wanted to use it, and they even asked Mr. Kurta to lend it to, so that they can patent it. But he just made three things. After Germany war was over, he was handed over to the Russians, and without being caught by the Russians, he went and manufactured this amazing calculators. Okay, this is the story of this calculator. He designed this calculator inside the prison. Okay, in the prison he designed this calculator, and this is an amazing calculator. And let me show you this, how to operate this calculator. This is the Kutta calculator simulator. I will give you this. So if you want to add a number, what you have to do is, this is erasing. This is for erasing. This gray section, no, I am pointing the mouse now, is counter, is the revolution counter, and this is the result area in here. And this is the number, units, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, so that so on. Okay, and this is incrementing or decrementing. Okay, incrementing is +1, decrementing is -1. For to minus a number, you have to operate this thing. So other thing is that, suppose if I want to add two numbers, 53. So what I am doing is I am getting the 53 inside this. Okay, and after that I want to add it with 95. So 53 plus 95 is 148. So you can check it. Okay, so what is 53 plus 95 is 148. So this is what is showing here, 148. Okay, this is how. So I am repeating the process again, so that you can see how to add a number. So if you want to add a number, what you have to do is, So this is for, suppose for 42, I am just making it as 42. So it is getting the number over here. So this is revolution counter. You can just erase it after each turn. So for multiplication, you can use even multiplication, division, arithmetic operations such as square root and everything can be performed in this calculator. So after 42, what I am going to do is I am going to add another number 76. Okay, 76. So 42 plus 76 is 118. So this is what is showing here. So after you enter the first number, you have to click this, and after that you have to do that. If you want to minus a number, it is so simple. So now what you have to do is, so suppose 53, you get that number. Okay, so you want to minus it, so uplift this, and you want to minus it with 23. 53 minus 23 is 30. So this is what is showing over here. And also you can do and sort of calculations such as multiplication. So I don't know about the division, but I will tell you about the multiplication. So if you have 32, you want to multiply it with 4. So you have to turn this knob. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So in order 31 into 4 is 124. So this is how you have to do. So this is the revolution counter. How many times you have moved this knob? So 4 times this is revolution. So if you want to take another step, you can what you can do is you can increment this number so that you can multiply or division or do something. So this is the Kuruta simulator. So I will show you the internal parts. So this is the calculator. This is the calculator on Onshape, a CAD file. I am showing you here. Okay, it is the complete thing. So you can't move this. So first let me delete this. Okay, so let me delete this and show you the internal parts inside. Okay, the internal parts, so that you can watch all the internal parts inside. Okay, so you have to hide the other hide all instances. Okay, and it is just taking some time to delete. Okay, so it is just showing up in this manner. So hide all instances, and it is showing. You have to make it transparent to look. So what I am doing is Control Z. Okay, so I am making this as transparent to look what are the components inside. Okay, so again I am making this as transparent. Okay, so that you can watch all the components inside. Okay, so this is the complete calculator components. Okay, as you can see, this is the Kuruta calculator's complete components, as you can see from here. So in this manner only the Kuruta calculator is being simulated. Okay, this calculator was created in a prison. Can you believe this? Okay, this is the Kuruta calculator. So please try this Kuruta calculator. I'll give you the CAD file, the simulation and everything. Okay, you can just do every calculations over here. Okay, thank you friends for your attention. Thank you. Please subscribe and share. Now we have lots of subscribers, more than 1170. We need lots of subscribers, more subscribers, sorry, not lots. We need more subscribers to develop our channel. So thank you for your commitment in all those things. So this I am just fond of all those calculators. So again, after this century, after this Kuruta calculator, I have to show you that even in the G.D. Naidu Museum in Coimbatore, as I am showing you here, the G.D. Naidu Museum in Coimbatore, he was the only person in India to see Hitler, I think so, and he's a very good mind. So this G.D. Naidu's is also going to be taken as a Tamil film, I think so. He's one of the highly intellectual minds who made lots of contributions to the mechanical of the car and all those bike he bought. He was fighting for his for his passion. Okay, for his passions. So, and in this thing you have an mechanical calculator in G.D. Naidu's museum. Where you go here, you should really see this mechanical calculator. So this is an old typewriter, as you can see from here. This is an old typewriter, and this large scale calculator, if you want to know, you can see it from here. So this is the mechanical calculator in the G.D. Naidu's museum. So if you want to use Kurta is a very small thing. You can also 3D print it. So there was a person who 3D printed mechanical calculator. 3D printed Kurta. So you can see this 3D printed Kurta. So this is the 3D printed Kurta. So this is a very bigger version. So he 3D printed it and he was trying to use it. These are all the components in the Kurta. So you can use it and have fun with it. So this Kurta calculator was not the only idea that he has devices. So you know about Mr. Leinblitz. Leinblitz cylinder for calculator. Okay. Leinblitz cylinder for calculator. So this was Gottfried Leinblitz, who was also a co-founder of this so-called calculus. So he also thought of the same idea in 16th century. So this Kurta calculator was not only devised by the Mr. Kurta, it was being an old thought by Mr. Leinblitz. So after that, you can see all those concepts, you can build it, you can 3D print this model. When you go here, you can download it from the Onshape. So thank you, friends. So this is the Gottfried Leinblitz. So I am thanking you for all those subscribers you guys gave me and all your contributions to my channel. So also in my playlist channels. So thank you.